morning, everyone. It's day 2, and I'm on my way to meet my friends. Now we're looking for somewhere there's free motorbikes. I found it yesterday. Today there's even more people in this event. It's amazing. Kunje mani. Kunje ma. Incredibly warm, but I have an umbrella, so walking in the sun is okay. Let's go shuttle bus. It's a little bit tricky to find your way here, but we're looking for number 3. Oh, I see number 3. And the drivers are driving and today there are more people than yesterday. Long live the king. Big umbrella มีลมใหญ่มากแล้วก็เบียร์ใส่น้ำแกงดีมาก More races coming. Now there's a break, so I'm outside. I'm gonna buy some water and take a small break because there's a lot of people inside. I met a guy from Norway.
You met Stavanger?
And he's a YouTuber.
And he's from
The same town.
Same town, same city.
I don't really know you yet, but I've been living in Thailand for 4 years. I've been living in many countries: Spain, Portugal, Japan. Now I'm in Bangkok, but 3 years I was living in Phuket.
Oh, he's been living in Phuket.
It's kind of crazy that we meet here.
We're both from Stavanger in Norway.
Yeah, maybe he can kickstart my future YouTube career. I've never done it. I have 50 followers on Instagram.
And I have 10,000 followers on YouTube for
shit.
now.
Wow, good job.
What's your name?
My name is Magnus. Magnus from Stavanger.
And then we can speak some Norwegian.
Ja.
Han heter Magnus, og jeg heter Atle.
Atle?
Atle.
Fett. Jeg har familiemedlemmer som har samme navn som jeg.
Do you know the lawyer in Norway, Arvid Sjødin?
Sjødin, ja.
My uncle.
Arvid Sjødin.
The most famous lawyer in Norway is my uncle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. I know Sjødin.
Thai deg meg?
No, I don't. And I don't speak any Thai, basically, right? Okay, so this is the Thai driver. Maybe you guys are not super fans of MotoGP. But
His name is Kong.
Is it your first MotoGP?
This is my first MotoGP, but I've been to many Formula Ones.
Oh, okay, yeah.
We go traveling later this year. We go Italy. Amazing. This is super nice. Oh my God. And there's definitely more sound from the MotoGP than the Moto2. So maybe you should bring earplugs. I could see on the TV screen we have our first accident, but I don't know where. And the race is still going. And then when it's finished, but since I have a tuk-tuk, I got to park at the motorbike parking, so I'm good. I'm good. Not many motorbikes here. A lot of cars. And one of the officers told me I could park at the motorbike parking. Because a tuk-tuk is not a car, and it's not a motorbike, it's something in between. Sำหร. And now we will try to, there's a castle next to the track here, and I want to fly the drone around the castle to see if it's possible. And now we are on the way to an old castle next to the track. And I have the drone with me, so I'll try to get some magic shots of the castle. And I think when I fly the drone, maybe you can see the track as well. I don't know, but I'm going to fly my drone around this castle. My friend told me I could fly here, but not over the circuit. Just going to find somewhere in the Bailom when you're on mark. This castle is quite amazing. As you can see from the drone, I can hear the racetrack in the back, but I could have flown the drone over there, but I'm not allowed, so I didn't do it. There's a nice park over here. Now we're heading back to the tuk-tuk. I've got my umbrella. Moto GP. I'm not a Farangan anymore. I'm Ben Kuntaileo. And my friend is standing in the other end. I don't know if you can see him. Because today was warm and we've been maybe we go for some food and then shower, and then we'll go back here for the concert later. It's gonna be nice. But that's the plan. However, there's some famous Thai musician. And here they have things for the kids. There's a Ferris wheel. It's not a car, it's not a motorbike, but the officers told me I could park in the motorbike parking, so very close. There's some advantages. TUKTUK, D-Mark. มีมอเตอร์ไซค์เยอะมากแล้วก็ตุกๆคนเดียว Amazing. You see the flags? Tuk-tuk สวยที่สุดที่เมืองไทย Oh, sweet. And I talked to some of the people in here, and they say they had seen me driving because there are only one tuk-tuk like this in Buriram. We're on the way to the concert. Joey Puasit, my favorite singer in Thailand. Oh ha oh ha oh ha oh ha oh ha oh ha oh. Look at this, huh? Very nice. This is amazing. I love this. Okay guys, we had to, he didn't show up and it's too late for us because we have to wake up early tomorrow. So next time, but I'm gonna drive my tuk-tuk in here and then maybe a lot of people will see my tuk-tuk. Hey! It's good. Good morning! It's the third and final day of MotoGP. This is gonna be fun again. Here they have pad krapao, kaijiao, crepe tous. Anyway. Look at this. Oh, อยากกินอันนี้อร่อยไหมเอาสองอันชอบกินเผ็ดเผ็ดไหมคะเผ็ดไม่เผ็ดไม่อร่อย A little bit snacks before the race. This is the biggest day, so I need to fill up my stomach. Denmark, คนเยอะมาก คุณชื่ออะไร
My name is Mac.
Mac
ครับชื่อ Mac.
You make music in Thailand
Yeah.
A rapper
Yes. Last year I make a song for MotoGP. Yeah.
for MotoGP
Welcome to Racing MotoGP Thailand like that.
Mark West นี่คือเด็กระเบิดกว่าตาราโรเบโตก็โชว์ความเป็นเลิศ Maverick Miller นี่แหละตัวเปิดสมเกียรติจันทราก็พร้อมจะแจ้งเกิดผ่านบ้านเฉียวชาญ
ครับผม See you.
See you you.
ครับ
Bye bye.
Take care.
He made the music for Moto GP last year. A rapper. I tried to make him sing, but I couldn't. The national anthem, and everyone was standing. ผมรักเมืองไทย
It's lights out and we're racing in MotoGP here in Thailand. It's an absolutely electric dynamite start from pole position once again by Marc Marquez. He will get the whole shot into the first corner.
Here they come! Look at this!
The contact between Bagnaia and Marquez has been costly with 73. He dropped back down to P4. That's a wobbly now. If it's a 4, it is a Ducati 1, 2, 3.
And if you go here, bring some earplugs because the sound is very loud.
Towards turn 12 we go once again. Marc Marquez has won 2 Grand Prix here over the years, and he's now sniffing a third. Here he comes on Alex Marquez. That could be then. Ducati domination debut weekend for Marc Marquez. He takes pole position. Bagnaia once again has to settle for third place on the factory Ducati. Frankie
Mark Van is the winner today. Job to Moto GP.
อายยังหำฮ้อนนำเจ้าเด้ออายยังหำฮ้อนคิดถึงเจ้าคิดถึงเจ้า